This video is intended to show you how to create your Google form and then generate your QR code. The first thing you're going to want to do in your Google Drive is to create a Google form. Select New, go down to More, select Google Forms. Title your form whatever you'd like. Interest would probably be a better word. You can do a description if you'd like. In fact, let's do maybe something like choose. Actually, wait on that. You're going to, this is your heading. It also becomes the title of your form. First question, you select. Your first and probably your only question is going to be select the courses that you would be interested in taking. Choose all that apply. That's how we're going to do it in the English department because we have like something like 4 or 5 different options. You'll notice as I was typing that it automatically went to checkboxes. If it doesn't do that, all you have to do is select. It gives you all of these choices. And if you're going to choose, select the course that you'd want to take, choose all that apply, you're going to want to select checkboxes. In order to put the different options, you're going to just simply select option 1 and you're going to start typing. To add another option, you just select that and it becomes your option 2. And for time's sake, like I said, the English department has like 3 or 4 or 5 of them that we want. So I'm just going to use those to hold the place. Now, before you're done with the questions, you're going to come up here to Settings, and you're going to collect email addresses, and then you're going to select Limit to 1 response. We want to know who people are who submit, and this way we take out of the kids' hands the ability to put a false name down, and we limit them to 1 response because we want a true understanding as to who wants these courses. There's no need to select anything down here. You're going to make sure you hit Save. If you would like to change the background, you can do that here in Customizing Theme. For all intents and purposes, I'm going to say that this now is completed. So at this point, you're going to take your elective or your survey, and you're going to open up another tab, and you're going to go to www.qrstuff.com. This is the home page. This is where you'll go. It's defaulted to a website, okay? And then you need to select your Google Forms URL and copy and paste it here. So here's my form. I'm going to copy. I'm going to paste. It is going to be a static URL. You'll notice that the QR code preview changed. I'm going to download it. You'll notice down here that it downloaded it for me as a PNG file. Now I can open it. And there's my QR code. I believe all you have to do is right-click, and then you can copy it. I'll go back to my Google Drive. I'm going to just start a new folder or a new file, just a plain Google Doc. And I'm going to paste that PNG right there. Now I can print as many as I want. I can resize it if I want. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me. Thanks.